This is the elevator at some building with BRGR in it in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's the thyssenkrupp Oildraulic elevator with signal 4 fixtures. Depends on when it's installed. Go down to the basement. It smells weird in here. Interior go down. Don't thyssenkrupp logo, so this may have been installed by Marshall. And in that case, it would be Oildraulic. On one, and it's rather cold in here because it opens directly outside on one arm. That floor is a C.J. Anderson Van Resistant Hall station here at the basement, which is like BRGR's kitchen or something like that. Up to 4. And here you go up. Here at 4, that badge reader's for 2. Go back down to 1. ADA phone. It's a fairly nice cab. It's rather tall, single side doors. Yeah, I don't know if this was installed. ADA phone. thyssenkrupp Signal 4 fixtures. You're back at 1. Yeah, 3 and 4 apartment circles, and that's going to be it. There's only 2 units per floor.